The various US states each have their own probate codes and their own peculiar requirements for making a valid will. A person writing a will in California or elsewhere that may migrate to another state may wish to follow these 8 steps if she wants the will to be valid in all the US states. 1. Compile the will as a single document. Specify the number of pages and staple them together. 2. Ensure the testator has read and understood the will. 3. The testator, the lawyer, notary, and 3 disinterested witnesses all assemble in the same room at the same time. Everyone else is excluded from the room. 4. The lawyer then asks the testator, "Is this your will? Have you read and understood it? Does it dispose of your property according to your wishes? Do you request witness 1, witness 2, and witness 3 to witness the signing?" Then we move to number 5. Step number 5. The witnesses then observe the testator sign. The witnesses then read the attestation in number 6, stating, "I saw you sign and we are all together." Number 7. The witnesses sign with their addresses. And the 8th step is a self-proving affidavit that's prepared by a notary. The affidavit can be produced in court if a witness is deceased at the time the will is challenged. A videotape of the signing can supplement evidence that the procedures were properly followed.